Driving home from the student film I've been working on, and it's raining and traffic in the city is fucking gridlocked. Going the way I normally went, everything had been going fine, and then without warning just came to a complete stop. Like, I literally didn't move for more than 5 minutes, and then the only reason I got to move is because some people decided to chuck a Yui and try an alternate route, and I thought that was the way to go. Maybe not. Now, as opposed to an absolute gridlock, I'm moving along at about 5 kilometers an hour. So hey, that's an improvement, isn't it? Yeah, I guess it is. God, what a pain in the ass. It was just the combination of the time of day and the rain just hit the city, and I said, yay, no moving for you, none at all. I got a bit better, although technically, because I doubled back, I'm worse off than I was before. I'm further away, but there's some actual motion happening. So maybe this was a better idea. Just looking out the window, it's spraying so much over the traffic island between lanes is really muddy. Like some trucks have been driving on it because there's been some road work around here. So there's a lot of mud in there, mud and water, very boggy. And there's a bunch of seagulls in it going, fuck yeah, love it, just sort of wriggling around in the muddy water. Because they're seagulls, I guess. I have no idea if there's even enough light to be using this camera mounted on the steering wheel. Not like, yeah, it's a GoPro, so it's a tiny thing. It's not like I've got some massive video camera between me and the windscreen. But I'm leaning towards this was actually the right choice. The one thing I really hate about traffic jams is the not knowing what's causing them, not knowing how long they're going to last, not knowing what's the right thing to do. Stick in one direction or go somewhere else. God damn it. With the technology we have, I should be able to marry up bloody... And I know some GPSs do it to a degree, but it should be seamless. GPS should marry up with some live traffic reports, police reports, traffic flow, and just... God, we're under so much surveillance with all these fucking traffic cameras. They might as well use them for something good. Route the traffic onto less congested roads so things could even up. But no. All this bloody technology, and what do we get? Government listening to our phone calls and reading our emails. What a shit deal. What's happening here? Now I am only just in front of where I was when I gave up and took another route. Murphy's Law, I probably took longer to get here than I would have if I stayed where I was before. But I just kind of felt like I was doing something, even if it's an illusion, feeling like you're doing something can feel much better than doing nothing. Prepare to stop, queue ahead. That's a useful sign, because I like seriously can't fucking see the queue of traffic I've been in for the last half hour. Without a magic sign telling me there was a queue in traffic, I wouldn't know. Oh, technology, you are wonderful. Alright, fuck this. Better focus on traffic a bit more. I'll talk to you later.